A phrasal verb is a combination of words, a verb plus a preposition or verb plus adverb, and end up with a completely new meaning. Here is a list of the most commonly used phrasal verbs with meaning. Tear off.
To remove with force.
Ring up.
To call someone on the phone.
Close off.
To block an entrance or pathway.
Break off.
To remove a part of something with force.
Turn up, turn down.
Increase or decrease the volume or strength.
Catch up.
Get to the same point as another person.
Calm down.
Relax after an energetic or irritated state.
Come between.
Disturb a relationship.
Back up.
Support or defend someone.
Eat out.
Eat at a restaurant.
Break down.
Stop working, especially when referring to machines.
Work out.
To exercise.
Come up with.
Think of an idea.
Take off.
To remove clothing or to leave for a journey.
Log out.
Sign out of your account.
Log in.
Sign into your account on a website.
Find out.
Discover or learn.
Dress up.
Wear nice clothes.
Look out.
To watch out for something.
Fall apart.
Break into pieces.
Hold back.
To stop yourself from doing or saying something.
Get away.
Escape or depart from.
Hold on.
To hold something tightly.
Hang out.
To spend time with someone.
Get into.
Discuss something thoroughly.
Hang on.
To keep something.
Get by.
Survive or manage at the bare minimum.
Hang up.
To end a call on the phone.
Get down.
Enjoy oneself without inhibitions.
Get to.
Bother someone.
Grow up.
To tell someone to stop acting childish.
Get together.
Have a social event.
Go ahead.
Proceed or move forward.
Get up.
To stand up or to wake up.
Go for.
Try or attempt to achieve something.
Give away.
To hand things out for free.
Give up.
Accept defeat, quit, or surrender.
Give out.
To break down or stop working.
Get along.
To have a friendly relationship with someone.
Go on.
Continue doing something.
Fill up.
To become completely full.
Cut in.
To interrupt someone when they are speaking.
Put on.
Wear or add something to your person or an object.
Come up.
To think of an idea.
Go over.
Review or look at again.
Drop off.
To leave something or someone in their destination.
Look after.
Take care of someone or something.
Show off.
Deliberately display abilities or accomplishments in order to impress people.
Check out.
To see something or try something out in order to learn more about it.
Check in.
To register at a hotel for a stay.
Top off.
Fill something to the top, to complete something in a special or spectacular way.
Bring up.
To mention something.
Wait on.
Serve, especially at a restaurant.
Take out.
Move something outside.
Call on.
To visit someone.
Think over.
Consider something.
Bring it on.
To accept a challenge with confidence.